Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Shopify collections and filters for dropshipping catalogs, full guide step by step clearly. To configure Shopify collections and filters for your dropshipping catalogs, start by logging into your shop. Navigate to the products section on the left sidebar. Click on collections to view your existing collections or create new ones. To create a new collection, click on the Create Collection button. Choose whether you want a manual or automated collection. For automated collections, set conditions based on product tags, types, or prices. For manual collections, select products individually to include. After setting up your collection, add a title and description to help with SEO. Make sure to upload a featured image that represents the collection well. Once you've filled in the necessary details, click the Save button. Next, navigate to the Online Store section. Click on Themes and choose your active theme. Select Customize to open the theme editor. Look for the section labeled Collection Pages to manage how your collections display. Adjust layout options to showcase products in grids, lists, or with specific filters. You can also set up sorting options such as best selling, newest, or lowest price. In the same theme editor, review the filtering options available for your collection pages. Enable filters based on price, product type, vendor, and tags for enhanced customer navigation. Save any changes you make to ensure they're applied to your store. To enhance user experience, test the collection pages on various devices. Check that filters function correctly so customers can easily find products. Finally, continuously update your collections and filters based on inventory changes and customer behavior. This will help maintain an organized and user-friendly catalog for your dropshipping business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.